All right, so now we're on web session number 4, so let's go into that folder on Blackboard. Only one thing, banks.xlsx. I've already downloaded it. So this is actually a question that I used on a previous exam several semesters ago. So I think it's a good test to see if you can do the things that I think are important for this particular unit. So this is a list of federally insured banks that failed, in other words, closed, between 2000 and 2012. And let's see, there are a total of 458 of them. It has the name of the bank, the city, the state, and the date that it closed. Which state had the greatest number of federally insured bank closings between 2000 and 2012? How many bank closings occurred in the state of Nevada in 2010? In what cities did these banks closings occur? So as you can see, we're getting into more detail about, all right, I have a bigger set of data. I really want to drill down into it and see what I can see and figure out if there's something interesting to it. So these are things that I thought might be interesting, right? Nevada with Reno and Las Vegas, they have bank closings. What is the total number of bank closings in the states of California, Florida, Texas, and New York between 2009 and 2012? So I just arbitrarily picked a date range. What city in Florida had the greatest number of bank closings between 2009 and 2012? How many bank closings occurred in this city? So there are lots of different ways to come to the final conclusion, the final answer, if you will, for these questions. And so I'm going to give you a hint. The hint I think is the easiest is to use a pivot table. So even looking at last web session and this one, you should start to understand that I think pivot tables are vitally important so that when you go out into the real world and you have to do something with data, pivot tables will greatly help you. So good luck and see what you can do.